We want to be sustainable.
The hum of printing presses and folding stations fill the air at Colbert Packaging.
Our specialization is pharmaceutical packaging, folding cartons overall.
These run through this machine here, which we call the sheeter, and it actually takes the rolls of paper and turns them into flat sheets that we see here.
The company has operated a plant in Elkhart since 2004. Team members make the packaging for products you've heard of and for others that maybe you haven't. But no matter the particular model, the makeup is the same: recyclable paper.
Paperboard we use goes out the back door as either a finished carton or it goes through our baler system and goes to a recycling facility.
But the sustainability doesn't stop there. Many of the pallets used at the plant are sold to a recycler or used internally. The metal plates that produce the plant's graphics are recycled. Even the dies used can be given new life.
A die that's unique to each different carton, and that die is made of wood, so that can be recycled at the end of its life cycle. Also, we can take that die and have it sent out and have the knives and the metal that's in that replaced so that it can be reused.
Colbert's kind of paper packaging is far from the norm in today's world.
We fight against a lot of resealable plastic containers and things like that out in the market.
Even though many plastics like this bottle right here say that they can be recycled, according to the EPA, most end up incinerated or in landfills like this one in Elkhart that you see behind me. In fact, in 2018 alone, over 10 million tons of plastic waste ended up in U.S. landfills. There's been an onslaught of online shopping and related packaging over the last few years, largely due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Done with that, we can actually send that back to the vendor. They can reuse that die, put new knives in it, rework it, and go from there.
But there are signs that the plastic policy is starting to be challenged, and not a moment too soon.
We've had a customer come to us here recently that said, hey, what can you do on, like a paperboard form tray or something to replace a plastic tray that we're currently using?
Stober has seen this trend forming before his eyes and on his order forms. Big box stores ditching plastics means more customers are going to Colbert asking what they can do with paper. This shift in the environment gives Colbert added business, but also includes the added bonus of making the world a greener place.
It may cost a little more. At the end of the day, the drive for them helps us keep driving to be sustainable.